So here's a little video all about working out the mean of tabulated data on Excel. So here we've got score, frequency. Anybody can do this, it's really easy. So you can see 3 people got a score of 0, 7 people got a score of 1, etc. 9 people got a score of 2. Okay, so if 9 people got a score of 2, that's a total score of 18, and so forth. Now what I want to do is I want to find out how many people actually took part in this competition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to auto sum this here. So if I fill this down here and I go over here and press auto sum, I can see there's 92 people who took part in this. Now what I want to do is I want to multiply the frequency by the score. So if I click on this cell here and I type in equals, because it's a function, and what I want to do is I want to do this cell multiplied by this cell, so B2 multiplied by A2. So if I go B2 asterisk A2, there we go. So 3 times 0 is 0. And I want to do the same for all of these here. So if I click on this cell and hover on the bottom right hand corner and drag it down, it can predict what I want it to do. So now these are my scores. So now what I want to do is I want to actually auto sum this. So I go like this, auto sum. So we can see that we've got a total score of 379 undertaken by 92 people. So now what I want to do is I want to work out my mean average. So if I click in this cell here, mean average, okay, and then in the next cell along, I want to work out mean average. I'll work out my total score divided by my total people. So how do I do that? I go in this cell, I type equals this cell C9 divided by, which is the / button, B9. Wonderful. And now click off there. Excellent. So now you can see that here that we've got a mean score of 4.1. Now you can see that what we've got is this. It's generally people have done really well. There's lots of people with a high score and not many people with a low score. This is what we call negative skew. Now if I just reverse this here, they're not exact. You can see that I'm very close. Oh, I had 97. I'll put that up to 4. So there we have it. So we're on to 97 again. But you can see the mean average has come right down because lots of people have achieved a low score and not many people have achieved a high score. Okay, this is the opposite. This is what we call positive skew. Finally, what we can go for is something a little bit more normal. So we might have 2, 7, 12, 18, 9, 7, 2, something like that. It's a little bit more normal. So we've got not many people with a low score, not many people with a high score, and most of our data is in the middle range of our scores. Okay, this is a brilliant task and you should have a go at doing it.